The son of a lion, offspring of Agbalanze, the great ruler of Ibaku land.
Feared far and near. Even the elephants part ways when they sense your presence.
Yes, this spirit dare to speak evil of me.
No, it's not.
He's an oh, why you come on? He come on. He said, please. Hey! He's like, please.
My king, the people are livid. They demand for your head.
You say my head?
Your Highness, this is a serious matter. It's nothing to laugh about. My king, you have to listen to our voice, your cabinet members. For we speak the mind of the people. You have gone too far this time.
Shut up! How dare you talk to me in that manner? Have you forgotten that you are in the presence of your king?
My king, forgive our boldness, but you have left us with no other choice.
Yes, Your Majesty. We have to speak up before the people rebel against your reign.
No one will ever challenge my throne. Nobody. I am Njoku, the son of Agbalanze. Nobody can or will challenge my authority.
But Your Highness...
Please, be quiet. I don't want to speak any further on this issue. And if you don't have anything meaningful to say to me, I will appreciate if I'll get out of this place.
Getchi? Hello, ma. Getchi? Hello, ma. Hello, ma. Didn't you both hear me call you? Must I scream that those before you answer me? Must I?
Forgive us, Your Highness. We were busy in the kitchen.
Her Highness doing what?
Her Highness asked us to help her with the preparation in the kitchen.
What did I hear you say? Your what?
Highness.
If you address her by that name again. You fools should come with me. And where have the both of you been?
We
what? Have you suddenly lost it? I asked you both to take charge of my kitchen. What happened?
Yes, you did, Your Highness. But Her Highness stopped us from doing your bidding.
She what?
Yes, she asked us to prepare her meal instead.
No! Not today! Not again! That good for nothing has to realize her place in this house. I must make sure I put her in her place. What nonsense! And the both of you, I am coming back for you. The person I was looking for.
Why? Oh, so you can see the outfit I'm putting on today and copy it?
You must be very stupid if you think that I will copy your low-budget outfit.
Too bad you lack elegance and style.
Whatever. Look, Silva. It's high time you stop undermining me in this palace.
I can do as I please. Not you or anyone can do anything about it.
And so, I sent my maidens to be in charge of my kitchen and you stopped them. Why?
I don't think I owe you any explanation.
Really? Look, Silva, on a very good day, I will make you eat your words.
Let that day come. If you're done ranting, you can take a walk.
Mark my words. You will eat your words.
Yes, the king sent for me.
Papa, I hope you're not going to support him. For we all know he's an arrogant gentleman.
Don't speak such evil words. I didn't train you up like this.
Papa, you know I speak the truth. And nothing but the truth. Njoko is a tyrant. One that should not allow to stay on the surface of this earth.
Hey, Somto, such harsh words for your king? Your king of this land? No. Don't forget that words have ears. And when bad people hear what you say, to put you in trouble.
Papa, you of all people should know that I am not scared of anyone. I am not. Njoko and his misfeet are no match. They are not.
Well, I'm not going to stay here arguing with you. The king awaits me in the palace.
I'm only stating the facts.
See you later.
Papa, go well. I'm always speak the truth.
You speak and it comes to pass. You are my father's friend and a friend to the throne. What are the gods saying?
Joko, you are the son of the lion. You are the one who
Cut
wants
to the
follow-
chase, Ago, and tell me what I want to hear.
Patience, my king. The gods are yet to speak.
Did you say patience? Have I not been patient enough? I have been patient for so long. When will the gods give me what I'm asking them for?
My king. My king.
Oh, no, don't dissuade me, Ago. Don't. Because I am going to seek for solution. Should the gods continue to keep mute on this?
Joko, do not question the gods.
Ago, I am Njoko, the son of Abalanze. I fear no one.
Thank you very much. May the gods continue to bless you. Eh? This for wine, something else.
Okay, eat your food. I want to go to the market.
Please, when you get to the market, don't forget to buy beans. I'm tired of eating all these long things, all these rice. Just buy beans. You mean beans are what I want.
Okay,
Yeah?
Papa. I won't
Please.
forget. Let me get you water.
Okay.
I didn't even bother. Yeah, what's in there? It's not evidence to. See, something. One day, we all wake up to find out that there's no roof over our head. What did you say? One day we will wake up to find out that there is no roof over our
May
head.
the gods forbid. How can you say that?
So then what do you expect? We have a tyrant as king.
I just hope one day Njok will be made to pay for all his evil deeds. I want to teach him a lesson he will never forget.
Calm down. Okay? Be calm.
How can I become very? Each time I remember all his evil deeds, my blood boils. It boils.
It's okay. Don't let Njoko trouble you. Let's go.
Hey woman, how many times have I warned you not to step your feet on this land? How many times?
My king, I'm sorry. This is the only piece of land my husband left for her and my children.
Will you shut up?
I'm sorry, my
You are stupid.
Sorry.
You are stupid. Whose order are you supposed to take? That of your husband or your king's order?
My king orders. I'm sorry, my king.
No, you don't have to be sorry. There's no point. By the time I finish with you, you have reasons to be sorry. Kala!
Yes, Your Highness.
Take her to the car. Take her to the
Let
boot.
her go. My king. I said you should let her go, I say.
Who are you? And what gave it guts to stand before your king and talk in such manner?
Who or what I am is not important. But I would not stand here and watch you humiliate this woman.
Really? I see we have a hero wannabe. Oh yes. But you know what? Today is your lucky day. Because I don't have your time. And if I were you, I will run as fast as my leg could carry me out of this place now.
I will not step an inch until you set this woman free. So
Really?
Let's go. I am not going anywhere.
Well, that's fine. I will set her free. Just like you demanded. But you know what? You will take her position. Kala!
Yes, Your Highness.
Take this girl. Put her in the boot. Shut up. Come on. Go, move. Oh yeah, run. Run! My God.
My daughter, why are you running like someone that is running a business?
My Somto.
Something, what about her?
But the king took her against her will.
God of Allah. What does that mean?
We're coming back from the market and we saw the king. He was abusing a woman and Somto tried to help her.
And then what happened? Speak up.
The king got angry and took something instead. Papa, you have to help her. Papa, I'm scared you'll be punishing her. No, Papa, please.
Don't worry. I will go and fetch Somto back from the palace. King.
Agu, I was not expecting you. What brings you?
My daughter, Your Highness.
Your daughter?
Yes, the one you hold captive is the one that is after my heart.
That's not possible.
It is possible, my king. Her name is Somto, my only child.
Agu, I know you have a daughter. But, well, that's by the way. Whether she's your daughter or not, it's immaterial. Because she challenged me and she shall be punished.
My king, I came here to plead on her behalf. I know that What she did on that day was a great mistake. Challenging you on that day.
Which is punishable by my law.
Your Highness, I beg of you, please, forgive her. At least for the sake of the friendship I maintained with your late father. I beg of you, forgive her.
Come with me.
And why should I?
The king demands your presence.
And if I refuse?
Your father is here.
My father.
You better come with me before the king changes his mind.
How are you, Sinto?
I'm fine. They couldn't touch my spirit.
Your Highness, thank you.
Both of you should leave my presence immediately before I change my mind.
Father.
Father, so that you'd have allowed me speak my mind. What does he even think he is?
Sonto, he is the king, and he must be treated as such.
But not when he's being a tyrant. Papa, you need to have seen the way he treated that woman.
Sonto Chuku. Eh? You cannot save everybody. You must understand that. You can't carry the weight of the whole world on your shoulders.
Papa, I can try. Papa, don't you understand? I cannot just fold my arms like everyone else.
Sonto, I know. But you must understand that you are my only child. And I cannot bear to see anything happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me now. Nothing.
I hope so. I really hope so. Don't take everything to heart.
Your Highness, you should know that we have your interest at heart, and that's of the people.
Ignatius, I don't understand what you're saying.
I think what Ignatius is trying to say is that we all are worried.
Yes, Your Highness. We are worried because it's been long since you got married to your second wife.
We are yet to hear the cry of a baby in this palace. Your Highness, the throne needs an heir.
See?
Oh, Your Highness, you don't see.
What did you just say?
Oh, I didn't say anything.
Cowards! Cowards! Don't tell me that you people have been discussing this behind me.
Not at all. It's just that...
It's just that you will never bring this issue up again. Never! Have I made myself clear? Are we clear, cowards?
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes, Your Highness.
I'm sorry. Can you believe that? Jogo ordered his guards to lock me up in the cage. What? I don't even want to talk about it. It was a terrible sight. You see, next time you get to mind your business. Next time I'll do it. Mark my words. Yeah, so you like this. No, even if you don't pity yourself, at least pity your poor father. He was agitated by the whole thing. And for how long? How long do we keep letting Job get away with all he does? Because we fight about it. Let him have. I just hope so.
My husband,
Yes.
I can see that you're going out.
What is it?
Can I accompany you?
I need to come a little. Excuse me.
You're welcome, my husband.
Yeah.
Thank God you're back.
Thank you. Sylvia, what is it?
My king, I've been meaning to talk to you.
Sylvia, you see, I just came back now and I'm so tired. So whatever it is you want to tell me, it can wait, okay?
No, my lord. It's very, very urgent and I don't get to see you as much as I like.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. My love, I have a wonderful plan.
Okay,
Okay?
what is it?
I was thinking, no, we need to go on a nice vacation, maybe to the UK or the Bahamas.
Really?
Yes,
To do what?
just for vacation.
Will going to the UK and Bahamas give me a son?
But my husband, I'm not the God that gives children.
Beautiful, so go look for the God that gives children and ask them, your husband needs an heir. When you get a son for me, we can talk about Bahamas and UK.
But my love...
Did they tell you that people go to Bahamas and UK with rotten and decayed wombs? Get out. Get out of this place!
My husband, this is not fair. It's not fair at all.
Oh my God!
And what's funny?
Isn't it funny? act like you are all the matters, but in reality, you are nothing.
Look, Chiamaka, I don't have time to battle words with you. I have way more important things to do.
Oh, to dream of your imaginary trip to Bahamas.
I don't understand. What do you
Oh, how I find out. Let's just say the walls have ears. Sylvia, you want to take our husband away. Oh no, Sylvia, why? It's our husband, not your husband. He pained them. Oh my God. You want to travel to Bahamas. Bahamas. Oh my God. That's good in your life.
Ignatius. Ignatius. I am so confused right now. Did you just hear what Agu said? That the gods will speak at the right time. When is the right time? Is it when we have joined our ancestors?
My brother, it seems like the gods are punishing us for something we do not know.
It is unfortunate that we have a tyrant as a king.
How I wish it was in the days of his father.
You are right. But what can we do? Ever since our late king joined our ancestors, Ibaku kingdom has become shadow of itself. Huh? Why would the god punish us for what we know nothing about?
I pray that the gods of our land see us through. That is the only way.
You say, let's continue. Because for what I'm saying, Ah.
Acting as if she holds the world, yet she can't even give the king a hair.
I pity her with all the money they claim they have.
Even men do, lives with them. My husband will take it. Let's go.
My dear, you want to believe what my ears witnessed today? I want.
Talk now. Tell me what your eyes see.
On our way today. You know how the queen used to behave now, showing herself around the village. But today we aren't a good day for her.
Are you ready to tell me what happened, or should I take my leave?
Wait, you soft. Calm down. Do you know your problem? Impatient. You are always impatient. Well, you know the people of Ibak don't hate the king's wife. They don't.
Why did you say that?
They called her barren. Oh! Ewu, Chimo.
Then what happened?
Everything was a shock to me. Nothing happened. Nothing. She didn't even utter a word. She kept moving.
That's strange, you. You mean she just left without uttering any word? Wonder shall never end. Let's keep going, okay? Let me continue to do what I'm doing.
What is it? What?
My king, it's been a while you last visited my chambers.
Of what need is it for me to visit chambers when you cannot get pregnant?
My king, you hurt me with your words. I'm still your wife.
If you don't want to be hurt by my words, leave here immediately and return to your chambers.
But my king.
Hey, get out! Leave!
I'm having a bad feeling. I feel like the weight of the whole world is on my shoulder.
Worry not, my daughter, for the gods are with us.
I think so. I didn't really trust.
Yes, of course, all the time. Don't let it weigh down your heart. Okay?
Eye of the gods. What have the gods revealed to you? Because I'm running out of patience.
Your Highness, great son of the Lion of Ibak, have the gods ever forsaken you? Why are you losing faith in them so soon?
Did you say so soon? Has it not been long enough? I mean, how long do I need to wait to prove my loyalty to the gods?
Your Highness, the gods will still speak. I know, I can feel it. All you need to do is exercise more patience.
The gods are waiting for the throne to slip off my grip before they will talk to me. I'm asking you how to answer me.
Your Highness, I'm afraid this is one question I may not be able to answer.
I'm very tired. And I still have to get cassava for my mother. Babe, don't worry, eh?
I'll go with you. I don't have anything I'm doing at home anyway. Yeah. Santo, are you going with us? Santo!
Huh? What were you saying?
What are you thinking? Santo, what was she saying? I've been observing you lately and you seem very distracted. Please tell me, what is it?
Nothing. I was just thinking of what to prepare for my father.
Santo, are you sure?
Yes. What else would I be thinking?
Okay.
Emma, please, let's
If you say you are sure, somebody.
Oh, Father, you cannot do that.
Sonto, I can no longer keep this to myself. Listen, I was with the king earlier, and it appears he has lost faith in the gods.
But Father...
I cannot keep this to myself, my daughter. We just have to reveal it to him. The prophecy cannot be averted.
So, Father, you want to send your only daughter into the lion's den?
If it is the wish of the gods, we have to reveal to the king that you, Sonto, will be the one to save the royal household.
No, Father, I cannot accept it. I do not want to marry Njoko. Father, we can offer sacrifices to the gods.
Oh no, Sonto. You know it is impossible. You know it.
Father, why me? Why me?
My daughter, we do not know the ways of the gods. It is the instruction, then we have to obey it.
But I am scared. I'm scared. I do not want to marry Njoko.
My daughter, it is the will of the gods.
Your Highness, the land is in turmoil. The rivers have dried up.
Yes, Your Highness. In the past few days, all our crops have died.
Your Majesty, they are not far from the truth. You have to do something. Our people now live in fear.
Elders of the Backland, I have heard what you said. And I assure you that I, Njoko, your king, the great son of Abalanze, will not sit tight and watch my kingdom go into obscurity.
I've spoken well, my king.
Your Highness, what then is the solution?
Kala,
Yes, Your Highness.
send one of the guards to fetch me the seer immediately.
Greetings. I am here for the seer.
Let me tell him. Father.
Yeah.
Greetings, great seer of Ibaku Kingdom. The king requests for your presence at once.
Very well then. I'll be with him shortly.
Very well then.
Father.
Sumto, it is time. Even the gods are getting angry.
But Father, if you tell this...
Listen, I have to reveal his prophecy to his people. That's the only way that all the calamities that will befall Ibaku people will be averted.
Father, please, do not let me do this. I beg of you. Please.
Forgive me, my child. Forgive me. Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, elders of Ibaku Kingdom.
I will take this here of the Ibaku Kingdom. I have summoned you here to let you know that I can no longer wait for the gods.
Your Highness, you don't need to wait any longer.
Good. Speak to me.
It shall come to pass that the one who shall bear the heir to the throne shall also cleanse the land of all its evil. That is the prophecy.
Who has such power?
Yes, Agu. Who is she? Is she a daughter of the soil?
Speak, seer. Your king is listening.
The one whom the gods have chosen is my daughter, Somtochu. Your Highness, what a surprise seeing you in my house. The last time I saw you here, you were very young.
Where is your daughter?
She's inside.
Fetch her immediately.
Please, take a seat.
I have not come here for hospitality.
It's okay. Let me fetch her.
Fine.
Sonso.
Prepare yourself for your getting married to the king as soon as possible.
And what makes you think I would marry a man like you?
Did you just talk back to me?
Sonto.
Papa, please. Let me speak my mind. Who do you even think you are? Njoku, let me ask you. Did you think if you asked me to jump and I'll ask you how high? Do you?
Do you think I want to take another wife? And even if I wanted to, what is giving you the impression that I will come for a low lifer like you? Of course we're on the same page. Nevertheless, I'm just doing this for my kingdom. You don't have a choice. It is the prophecy.
I do not care about the prophecy.
with you.
What is it?
Is there any truth in the rumor going around?
What rumor are you talking about?
That you're to marry another?
Yes. Another that will give me an heir according to the prophecy.
But Your Highness, you will obviously not take her as your wife, right?
Of course I am going to take her as a wife.
But why? But Your Highness, my husband. Are we not beautiful?
What can we do? The Joker has decided. And don't forget, it was decided by the gods. And prophecy must come to pass. The prophecy can be attacked. Think deeply. If you finally get that man, that will break the end of you, because you definitely give him a heir. You're very correct, you know. You're right. So what are we going to do?
Tonto, so it's true. Yes, it's true.
What's it? Wait. Are you going to marry him?
Ebere, I do not want to marry him. But what am I going to do?
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Look, the gods will not lead you astray. Okay? Just, I don't know.
Ebere, I'm so confused. The people of Ibak needs me.
It's okay. I know you will do the right thing. Okay? Just listen to your heart.
My daughter.
Father.
Why are you making things so difficult for yourself again?
Father, this isn't an easy decision for me. I am finding it so hard to accept my fate.
Listen, my daughter. Realize that I am your father. And I will not throw you into the lion's den intentionally.
I know.
You know. So come of it. Huh? Come of it. You can't continue like this. You get up and do something else.
Who wouldn't be troubled? If it's you, would you not be troubled? I mean, who in our right senses would want to get married to that tyrant of the king?
Something has to marry the king.
Because he has been ordained by the gods, and there's nothing no one can do about it.
I said we want to get married to the king.
Good afternoon.
I don't know, are you?
I'm fine. He has been ordained by the gods, and there's nothing no one can do about it. I mean, no one. I know. But whatever her decision is, we just have to support her.
Yes, sir, my sister. We will.
my queen. How may I help?
You can help us by refusing to marry the king.
I never asked you about it.
But it's your right to refuse the union.
What problem do you have in getting married?
It is for your own good. And I'm sure you are no stranger to the king's ways. How can a beautiful girl like you subject yourself to such?
Subject yourself. And you both married.
Are you questioning us?
No! I mean, how can I question the queens of your back?
I can see you're trying to make a mockery of us. But let me warn you. Be ready to dance to any tune of music that comes to you. For he who fetches an ant-infested firewood should expect the lizard for visit.
Father, after much consideration, I have decided to marry Nigerian.
Huh? May the gods be praised. My daughter, you have done a very wise thing. I will get words across to the king.
Papa, I want you to know that I am doing this because of you and for the people of Ibadan Kingdom.
It's good enough. And for that, the gods will surely continue to bless you. You will enter that royal household and we shall hear the cry of a child, a male child.
I hope so, Papa.
I will get words across to the king. This is good news.
I have decided to marry the king. So are you sure? Is that really what you want? I just have to. The people need me.
But what about your happiness? Shouldn't that come first?
But it doesn't matter now. What matters is the happiness of our people.
So you're saying you're sacrificing your happiness for the people of Ibako?
Yes.
Somto, you're an amazing person, and I pray to God to bless you.
Today is indeed a great day in Ibako land.
Your Majesty, you are right. And soon, an heir shall be born.
Yes.
Yeah. So, praise God.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Niba, when?
When? Where's your own?
Okay, I didn't know more. What is it?
Chuck, I want you to know that I will never love you. I will never belong to you.
I'm not asking you to. All I want is for you to do your wifely duty, and I'm gone.
I hate you. I hate you with all my heart. I hate the fact that you're so arrogant. You don't care about anyone at all.
Who cares how you feel about me? I mean, do you think I care about? It's immaterial. I mean, I have a whole lot of things to worry about. Now, something to listen. You have to do your wifely duty. So prepare yourself for that. Maybe you aren't prepared. You need to go clean up or something. So I'll be back.
For a walk. But don't I have the right to take this children?
Since you've forgotten that your status have changed and that you're married to the most powerful man in the back.
You keep reminding me of that.
I will keep reminding you of that because it seems so difficult for you to understand that you're no longer the son you used to be. Now, don't you ever leave this compound without your mates and your guard?
I do not need any mates or guards. I've been walking around this place since I was little.
I'll give you another. And I hope you do.
You disobeyed my orders. Many people who disobeyed me, who did what you are doing now, have been punished.
You can punish me if you want, but I can never be bullied into such order.
You are testing my patience, woman.
I am not afraid of you, and I will never succumb to your whim.
So to get into this car now before I do something I will regret.
I'm sorry, my king, but I want to walk.
Somto.
I think you just have to go back, because I know you're not used to trek.
You think so?
Of course.
I noticed the people of Ipaku land love and respect you so much.
Well, that's because I am like them. I can relate with them.
I can relate too. Oh yes. Just that when they see me, you see, there's this kind of fright. Like they are scared, like I'm going to swallow them.
That's your emergency.
That's exactly what I was telling you.
If you want your people to love and respect you, you have to love and respect them as well.
That sounds very funny. I, Njoko, love and respect my people.
I will say you don't have all it takes to win a kingdom.
And you think you do?
To the best of my knowledge, I think I do. If you want me to help you, ask for it and I will help you.
Well, I think you don't know what it means to be a king. Well, I'll let that pass.
I couldn't believe my two eyes when I saw Njoko and his so-called new wife returning from God's nowhere on foot. You know, what I'm afraid is about to happen. And what could that be? Use your head. Use your head. Can't you see he's about to be wrapped around her fingers? And when that happens, it's over for you and I. No. But we won't let that happen. We can't.
Of course not. She may have found favor with the gods, but she can never find favor with Njoko.
Oh yeah. You said it all. You said it all. I trust you, bitch. My friend, I am so happy for you. You look so good.
Baby, can you stop? You're making me blush.
Ha! You should though. You should blush. Who wouldn't blush? Living in this big palace, sleeping here, and waking up.
Baby, you will not kill me.
It's okay. You won't die. But it's okay. Do you need more mates?
What did you say?
Like, if you need more mates.
You're senior, babe. What is wrong with you? How can you say that?
I was joking. I was joking, but seriously, this place is big. Wow.
Yeah. Very big.
My friend, tell me something. The truth.
Okay.
Is a king treating you fairly?
How do you mean?
Sometimes you know exactly what I mean.
Well, yes. He's treating me fairly. I think if you get to know him like I have, you will know he's a good man.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hey! Ha! Good man. Hey, I never thought a day like this would come that my friend, Somto, would talk something good about Njoko. You say he's a good man.
That's because I didn't know him.
Hey! Hey!
What's funny?
Nothing. Something. Could it be that you're in love with the king?
What?
Like, are you in love with the
Every,
king?
how can you say that? Of course not.
You should see your face. Okay, I rest my case.
Every, just stop this thing you're saying. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Do you need me?
I said I don't need. What is wrong with you?
I don't need.
Stop it. What are you looking at? You not even let me.
Oh.
I thought you were done.
Oh no. Please join me. Sundu, my lovely wife, please sit and join me in dinner.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. When I was coming out, a silver collected it from me. And that was the last happened in the house.
How dare you? No one regards me in this house anymore. Everyone disrespects me.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Please forgive me. She made me give it to her. Please, I'm sorry.
You are very stupid. Sylvia! Sylvia! What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I can see you are still up with your old actings. What's this? I sent my maid to get me apple. Rather, you took it away from her. Why? What's funny?
Chiamaka. So you came here to fight me over apple?
No, I didn't come to fight you. I came to put you in your place.
I think you should channel your energy towards Somto. Because she's gradually finding her way into Njoko's heart.
Oh no, please spare me that. Njoko only wants an A from her. Nothing else. Nothing else!
So you say. But I think otherwise.
Whatever.
Let me tell you something. If you like your place in this house, we should do something about that girl. I can't sit down and watch her take everything away from us. I can't.
Yes, my lovely wife.
I want to go and see my father. So I thought I should tell you.
You don't have to take my permission if you want to go see your father. Yeah, or do you want me to accompany you?
No, I can go by myself.
That's fine. That's okay. Just make sure you go with your maid and your guard.
I will.
You see how awesome it is when you do as I say.
Well, it's because I think you act nicely.
Oh, really?
Yes, my husband.
You see, it sounds so nice when you call me your husband. Not some arrogant jerk. All those things you call me. What's that one you always call me? I can't even remember, as a matter of fact. That's so nasty.
Okay. Excuse me.
Wait, excuse me.
Each person should allow the other one land. The one that says that he will not land, let the young be broken. Gods of our land, gods of our ancestors, we come to you for guidance. We come to you for protection. In our place, we usually say that anyone looking for my daughter will have the life and the place of a chick. The daughter shall be the chick, she will keep running. And you who is pursuing her will keep falling. That is the distance. The grandchild does not tell his father. See where we were living before. It's the grandfather that will tell him, not him telling the grandfather because he doesn't know what is up. My ancestors were heard. So shall we protect us. My daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great.
Father, you're looking so thin. Are you sure you've been feeling very well?
Well, there hasn't been anybody around to prepare very good meals for me after you left.
Sorry about that, Father. I should be coming out from school for you.
No, can't do that now. You're someone's wife, and I'm sure you know I can take care of myself.
I know, Father.
I was just teasing you.
It's okay.
Well, tell me, my daughter, how are you? I hope your husband is treating you well.
Yes, Father. My husband treats me well.
That's the kind of thing I want to hear. Eh? May the gods continue to bless you.
He say.
May the gods continue to bless your household.
He say. Okay, Father, let me go inside and make something for you.
You don't have to bother yourself. I was only teasing you. I can take care of myself.
I insist. Okay, I'll be right back.
All right.
So tell me exactly what happened.
Thank you very much, Your Highness, for this opportunity. This man here borrowed money from me, and he promised to pay me back in 2 weeks' time. But Your Highness, this is more than 2 months. I didn't hear from him.
Is he speaking the truth?
Your Highness, it is true. But I've been pleading with him to give me more time. My wife has been sick and things have not been easy for us, Your Highness.
Your Highness is not saying the truth. This man here has a very big land in the outskirts of Ibaku.
Yes. You are trying to lay claim on?
Yes, that land, Your Highness. He has taken over my land and he's making life miserable for us, Your Highness. We have not been able to make ends meet.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Highness. But he promised me that.
How dare you lay claims on his land? On whose authority did you do that? Are you not the ruler of Ibaku land?
No, Your Highness. But he...
You defile me by taking laws into your hands.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Please forgive me. It won't happen again.
Both of you leave. I will communicate my decision to you later.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Did you both notice the change in the king?
In fact, I am surprised. I have never ever in my life seen him or heard him speak like that.
In fact, unlike him, he would have seized that land for himself. But today, he did the unimaginable.
Imagine the king listening and deliberating. Something that has never happened before.
You can say that again.
I am baffled.
Hey!
Who
John.
knows? Maybe we all are still dreaming.
In fact, if it is a dream, I would rather go back and sleep again. In fact, I don't want to wake up. Let it be a dream. I don't want to wake up again. I'll go back and sleep. Yes, I'll go back and sleep.
How's your father?
It's fine. You seem troubled, Your Highness. Is everything all right?
Yeah, everything is all right. It's just that there's this delicate case before me. If it were before, I would have just taken it some without thinking.
And now?
And no, I don't just want to take a decision. I want to give it a fair hearing. Ever since you came into my life, I see things differently.
Tell me what troubles you. Who knows? We can solve it together.
Who do we have here? Her Royal Majesty, my daughter.
How are you?
Hi, good to see you. The woman in red.
Look at what I wrote you.
To you.
So you mean you want to fulfill this or what? After ensuring that you complete your mission of getting it back.
So that's the idea, Father.
Ah, our royal majesty. Come and sit down, come and sit down.
Okay.
Come and sit down. It's so wonderful.
Father, how well do you know my husband?
What kind of question is that? I mean, what else do you want to know about him that you don't know already?
Do you know him to be an emotional person?
Well, Joko, right from when he was young, I knew him as a very boisterous and young man full of life.
Okay.
But after the death of his father, he changed. He now became this hard and bitter king that we see today.
So, he was traumatized by his father's death?
Well, I think so. I can give it to that.
I see.
What's wrong with you? Eh?
I'm sorry,
You want to die?
I'm sorry,
Are you sick?
Just sit far from me.
Out of your mind? Are you stupid? Eh?
I'm sorry.
She should be sorry. Next time you have to be more careful. Okay? Before you cross the road, you look left, right, and left again before you cross. Get out with your dumb head.
What would you have done to her?
Me? I would have taken her straight to my house and locked her in my cage.
Like you did to me.
Because you're very stubborn. I mean, you stood up to me. I had to teach you a lesson.
Really?
Yes.
Whose food is that?
It belongs to Prince Somto, Your Highness. You may leave. Thank you, Your Highness.
Come in.
Your Highness, your food is ready.
Don't, Your Highness.
Did you see what she just did? Yes. This girl is a witch. That's it. Exactly. She's a witch.
Nobody can tell me otherwise. This girl is a witch and she needs to leave this house.
Yes. Sylvia is right.
You shut up, both of you.
Your Highness, please, what is going on here?
Adu, is your daughter a witch?
But I will not say a word. They should accuse me if they want to.
So, Your Highness, please, tell me exactly what happened.
I'll tell you. This witch standing here tried to kill the king.
That's a lie.
Shut up. We all saw what happened.
Elders of our land. This witch here came into this palace to take my husband away from us. She has to leave this palace because she does not belong here.
Yes. You lie, Sylvia. If anyone belongs here, then it's I. For I am the one they got recognized.
Promise me before the gods you'll be my friend forever. I promise I will be your friend forever.
So, if anyone have the right to stay in this palace, it's me. Because Njoko and I were bound together by the gods long ago.
Why didn't you tell me?
Why should I? You promised never to forget me. Yet you did.
When I lost my father, I wanted to forget about everything.
That includes me.
You won't understand. I was hurt. I had no father, no mother. I hated the fact that I was alone. So I decided to block everything. Besides, I was young.
I was young too. But I never forgot about you. I waited for 20 years. Only for you to return already married. I decided not to intrude, but to hate you from afar.
Really? Is that why you wanted to poison me? For my past mistake?
You really believe that I, Somtochukwu, would want to kill anyone?
You have not answered my question.
Finally, that witch will be sent.
Oh, yes. But are you sure Njoko would send her away after what she revealed herself?
Who cares about the tribal relationship? I'm sure he'll send her.
I trust you because you are the master in the game. Wow.
Everything will go back to me. You rest assured.
And all you. Wow, I'm so excited. Seriously. Hey, drink to that.
You have to tell me the truth, Ago. Is your daughter a witch that is capable of killing me?
No, my daughter is not a witch. Well, I would have to talk to my daughter first.
And go ahead and talk with her. But just know that time is ticking.
need to tell everyone the truth, Somto.
Father, we don't need to tell them the truth, and you know it. Father, how do you think people will react to the truth? You will lose face.
I don't care about me. What I care about is your well-being, Somto.
Father, please. You don't need to tell them.
Listen, my child, I'm not going to listen to you. Not anymore. We need to tell them the truth and nothing but the truth.
As it has been the tradition of Iba.
Speak, Ago.
Father, do not say a word. I am ready to bear the consequences.
I'm sorry, my daughter. But time has come for me to speak the truth to the people. Your Highness, people of Ibak, elders, Somto here is not a witch. Somto is a gifted child, blessed by the gods. She had become my eyes. She sees things, she informs me, and then I in turn pass on the message. Somto did not want me to reveal that she was the one saying the things for fear that I may lose my position amongst people. Judge of our land, protector of the universe, why are you silent? Speak to me. Tell me what I need to see and what I need to know. Don't be silent, Rose. God of our land. Don't be silent, please. Speak to me. Tell me what I need to know.
Papa,
Hey, Somto, go back inside the house. When I am done, I will come in. Okay?
the king and the son will be here soon.
But how did you know this?
I just know. Hurry up, Papa. It is important that you speak to him.
Mani bakwa lelo Ibago.
Papa.
Somto, what is the matter? Is anything wrong?
Papa, the king is going to die.
The fiawa. Don't ever say that kind of thing with your mouth.
But Father, I had a dream. In that dream, I saw the king die.
Listen, Somto, don't ever allow a third ear hear this. Speak of this to no one. It's okay. Agu, you're still here. Haven't you heard? Heard about what? Ibako has lost a great man. Could that be? The king is dead. What? Everyone is still in shock. gods have blessed you with sight. It is clear that I have lost my sight and that you have been given the sight.
What does that mean, Papa?
What it means is that you are the new seer. You see, you saw something that was going to happen to the king and you told me and it happened.
But Papa, I can do other things.
Really? Other things like what?
I think I have the power to do things.
Wow. Listen, my daughter Soto, I must protect you now. Okay? You are not going to speak to anyone about this. You will keep it to yourself.
Okay, Papa.
Okay? Listen to only your father.
This is a very big surprise.
A very big surprise in your life.
Something. The king's seer. That means.
It means I saw our future together.
So future. Yet it was against it.
Because I knew the danger that would come with it. Sylvia poisoned my drink.
What? What are you talking about?
Calm down, Papa.
Hey!
I still have some herbs inside. I can use them as an antidote.
Santo, are you sure you're okay? I mean, don't you think you should tell the king about this?
Father, I will. But at the right time. I still have to get some concrete evidence before accusing them.
Are you sure you'll be all right? I'm worried. If not, let me go and intervene.
No, Father, you don't need to. I'll handle it. I will expose them when the time comes.
How?
Let me get the herbs.
Sylvia. You want to kill my daughter? I've not seen anything.
I saw them, Your Highness. Yes. Are you serious? Yes, Your Highness. You know I cannot lie to you. You know me.
Thank you. Please, don't say this to anyone.
I
okay?
will not. Yes.
If there are witches here, then it's Sylvia and Chiamaka.
Sylvia. Chiamaka. How could you do a thing like this?
I was only jealous of Somto. Please forgive me. My husband, please forgive me. It was all Sylvia's idea. She made me join forces with her to hate Somto. Please forgive me. It was you.
Will you shut up your mouth and leave my presence? Leave my presence this minute. Please, leave my presence. Lala.
Yes, Your Highness.
Please forgive me. It's not my
I am
fault.
moving.
Out of this place.
Move it!
Hey. Drop that stuff. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it! Yes, come! Move it! Look at how they do witches. Move! Like witches. I said move it. Amos. I'm not doing that. That's what we about. Witches. Nonsense.
Your Majesty, please calm down. Oh, calm down. No wonder. They look alike.
Really sorry, I know I've hurt you. I have to find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I have nothing against you.
Really? You mean it? Like, you've forgiven me?
Yes.
Hmm.
How can I love something against the father of my unborn child?
What did you just say?
I am pregnant. You will soon have an heir to the throne.
Okay. Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
You love me?
Yes. I have always loved you ever since I was little.
My elders.
I'm so happy today. You know why? Because I want to present to you children of the people. Ibeku kwenu? Mwanu? Zonu? Omunu zonu.